Wait, this dog just got a chiropractic adjustment, and its reaction is priceless. First, if you're not an alien, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Only good people can do it. Watch as this adorable pup relaxes while the chiropractor gently adjusts its body. Within seconds, you can almost see the stress melt away, leaving the dog looking calmer, happier, and more comfortable. It's amazing how much better our furry friends can feel with proper care. Would you let your dog try this? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more incredible animal moments.